Hi, I'm Greg from Tork Craft. We're here to show you our Tork Craft Headlamp Lens Restoration Kit today. It's a great way of restoring and just tidying up your faded or slightly misty headlights. It consists of a little rubber backing pad, your abrasive, which is self-adhesive, and then you've got a polishing sponge. This is the polishing compound, specially formulated to help you get that nice glistening shine on your headlamp again. You're also going to need a drill. I'm using just a little cordless drill, a spray bottle with just normal water, and optionally if you want some gloves, and you're going to need some tape just to mask off the areas that you don't want the abrasive to touch on. So let's get started with this little project. Okay, so the first thing we want to do with our headlight is just make sure that we've cleaned it very well. We've got rid of any insects, maybe these little pieces of tar that have stuck to the headlight that we just want to make sure we've cleaned off as best as possible so that we have as clean a surface with which to work. We've lifted the bonnet, and all we're going to do now is we're just going to be masking this edge over here, just so that if we have any overrun with the adhesive, it's going to bond on. It's going to just rub up against that masking. I'm using a standard electrical insulation tape, and the nice thing about this is it's going to be a little bit stronger in relation to the water that we're going to be using. Okay, so we have our self-adhesive backing pad. You just remove the wax paper just like that, and then taking out our backing pad, we want to place it as in the middle as possible, get it to bond on there, and it's stuck just to that over there. Put it into our drill. Okay, so we've masked up our light now, so the first thing we do is just apply some water to the headlamp. That's just going to help the abrasive to clean itself and not get too clogged up. And using the drill, running at on a cordless drill like this, you optimally want to be running between 15 and 1800 RPM. On an 18 volt or 20 volt drill like this, that's going to be basically at maximum speed, which is perfect for what we're doing here now. When you see the slurry sort of drying up like that, you want to be able to add more water to make sure that your sandpaper is clearing, because if it's not, the sandpaper is basically just going to start clogging up. So we seem to have achieved a really nice smooth surface, and that is sanded up beautifully, taken away all of that old dull looking material. And so we've left here with a really clean piece of plastic that we want to now polish and buff up. So we're going to remove the backing pad from there, and we're going to apply this polishing sponge to the backing pad, and then using some of the polishing compound, we're going to now buff up that headlight. We're just going to apply the polish, this compound, and then using our sponge, just rub it sort of very easily and evenly over the light. And we're going to polish this up to a nice glistening sheen. Okay, so what you want to achieve here is just a highly polished luster on that surface, and you can see the amazing difference from when we started.